was touching and just kissing softly. Ended up fussing, can you get above me? Getting emotional. Getting emotional. Getting instinct between us. What's the disconnection? You need something else, or maybe she can do it better. I guess truth be super stressed. Can't clean up your mess. You wanna be my guest. Pushing my button, you gon' get me started. Don't be aggressive, I'm just being honest. Ain't gonna do too much, much. Hey, this is a little too much, much. I know we do so much, much. You don't gotta do so much, much. This ain't no nonchalant. Let's have a heart to heart. Talking about splitting up. Thinking about giving up. That's irreversible. Who gon' get hurt? You don't know. Anything the same between us was the disconnection. You need something different, maybe she can do it better. I guess choose peace over stress. Won't clean up your mess. If you wanna leave me my guest. Pushing my button, you gon' get me started. Don't be aggressive, I'm just being honest. Much. Yeah, this is a little too much, much. We did it so much, much.
Good morning, vlog. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stevie. If you're new here, I'm in a different city thanks to my bill, which is sleeping while I'm like very quiet. But today we are going to be taking pictures and then going to be exploring this city. If you're new here, my name is Stevie. I shoot a bunch of fashion and lifestyle content videos. So hit that subscribe button, girl. Yes, indeed. So right now I'm just gonna get ready because I'm meeting with a photographer at 9, and currently it is 7:36. So I'm a little early, which I like. Let's start. So I'm just gonna finish getting ready. I already did my makeup, cute, and I'm just gonna fix my hair a little bit. I slept with flexi rods. And if you don't have flexi rods, I definitely recommend sleeping with some flexi rods because, girl, I didn't even have to curl my hair. I woke up like this. Okay, cute. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish get ready and I will check in with you guys. Bye.
Straight up. Cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out. Riding in the car with no keys, straight up. Louis V shirt with no sleeves. Okay, slaughter gang nigga, I'm reppin'. 21, chopper get the preaching, I'm the reverend. Call him new era, he capping. Yeah, them the type of niggas I ain't that on God. Now book a show, man, my bag can't cash it. 21, the sound dog, I'm taxing. Riding in the coupe and it's a sport. Yeah, my bodyguard look like a horse. She gon' set me up like it's a toy. Okay, to the La Ferrari on the tour. Ride with your man when I get bored. Put my side piece inside a Porsche. Wanted to turn me to an asshole, I ain't gon' lie, I was just being poor. I put Chanel on my feet, and European model got Chanel on my seats. Put me in a third world country in the middle of the slums, I'ma turn it to $1 million street.
Hours later, as you saw, we were taking pictures around the city, but right now, my boo and I were going to explore. This is my outfit. Skirt Zara's. This is from Forever 21. I have my little Gucci sunglasses on. But yeah, we're gonna head out, so I'm gonna do a little vlogging on the camera and I'll check in with you guys later. Hi guys.
Hey.
You said that. All right, so we're walking now. We're going to the river walk, and then we're just gonna have like a drink or two. But we walked all of this, and we're walking this cute little trail, so cute. And then we're just gonna get some drinks. After that, we're gonna go to the hotel probably and rest a little, change, and go out for dinner. But yeah, it's so cute and clean in Chicago. Like, Chicago is so clean. People are just chilling, vibing. Look at the boats. So cute. So yeah. Ooh, she's dragging the dog. But anyways, I'll check in you guys later. My hair got sweated out, but that's okay.
Front row seats.
I know.
Yo como te recuerdo y en mis locos desvelos le pido a Dios que muera.
Brand new whip, got gold keys. Tell them my clothes, no stops, please. Soon as I nut, you go leave. Got M's in the bank like yes and we. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna be what I do, tryna steal my moves. 2500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. Same price I can make them late, come finish you. Know you being charged, yeah, Julie like a voodoo. Real dope boy, 100,000 in the Eagle. President's 10 shot down, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like I'm from the 80s. Man, Dre about to drop, man, this shit gon' go crazy. They don't want the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight up the street, man, I'm going from the pavement. I'm million all hundreds, it make them go crazy. Wham, 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 bitch on the baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no stops, please. Soon as I nut, you can go leave. Got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way. When you're living like this, they supposed to hate. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no stops, please. Soon as I nut, you can go leave. Got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way. When you're living like this, they supposed to hate.
This is my outfit really quick. My Alexander Wang shirt. I got these pants from my hair is getting wet because of the humidity, but that's okay. The wind is still good.
Cause imagine I die, and I ain't made 100 M's yet. There's so much things I ain't done yet. Like fucking a flight attendant. I don't party, but I heard Cardi there, so fuck it, I might attend it. Gotta kick back sometimes and wonder how life would have been if I never did take them risks and would have I prospered. Floating and I won't go under. Been out of town for a month. Absence made the love grow fonder. UK rapper, UK pro, gotta mention my name if you talk about the genre. Man in the top, try see a man topless, even a stick is big. Hugging my brothers and say that I love them, but I don't swing that way. The man them celebrate Eid, the trap still running on Christmas Day. I'll hit man in the top, try see a man topless, even a stick is big. Hugging my brothers and say that I love them, but I don't swing that way. The man them celebrate Eid, the trap still running on Christmas Day.
What is this? Pete's Coffee. I'm gonna try this for the first time. I don't know how I feel about this.
You got to stir it at the bottom. You see how cold.
Try it, babe.
I don't want to try it. The way you were describing it, that's not up my alley.
It's good though.
Look at Slam.
What, the coffee shop?
Yeah.
This actually is good. It's an acquiry taste. Acquiring. I don't know. It's good, but then it's different. Let's just say this is different. But our boat tour is in an hour. We're just chilling, drinking coffee. And we'll check in with you guys. My hair. We know the story with my hair. We know the story. But in the meantime.
Shorty, it's only you and me. What are you talking about? I live for you. Baby, I see you so much in my dreams. We gotta work it out as you talking about. Lately I've been looking for love, but I only come up on the drum. Stop me out. So if you ain't the one, you find me somebody, you find me a plus. I'm running out. That's on me. I'm a hot nigga, check my degree. You want my bitch in my teeth. Well, I can't do it like 3. Shit brought like 10. Buddha can't put the E. Run along the session at
Stop. I can't do no talk. I was just fucked up, nigga got back up. Now you bad bitch keep starving. Money keep calling. Pussy ass nigga keep starving. Yeah. Nigga just touchdown. I just got bust down. Brand new wrist on ball. Yeah. Fuck bag up, can't call it. Yeah. Bitch, ooh, it's a Friday. I get my money in 5 ways. I'm in the driveway. Diamonds on me like some Bombay. Bitches love me like Beyonce. All black boy like I'm Chauncey. Niggas just blase. Bitch, I don't partake. I get that bread, I don't partake. Ooh, bitch. Niggas ain't minding they business. I'm rich and they getting defended. Niggas be timid. I'm in your bitch like a demon. All my money blue and teal. I just woke up in the hills.
Crazy, but we just finished the boat tour and we're just walking back to the hotel. This is me. Tomorrow is our last day in Chicago, so we're just soaking up the city. And
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react.
so I'm back in the hotel and today is actually our last day in Chicago. I'm gonna miss this view so much on the 30th floor. Love that for us. But yeah, we're just getting our stuff together. We're gonna go to the airport and I'm gonna be ending this vlog here. I'll probably insert like us going in the airport and the plane and all that extra stuff. But yeah, this was a really fun trip. I had a lot of fun and I got to see a new city and just made a bunch of memories, so I'm super pleased. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers, so let's keep this up. And right now I just have this Pretty Little Things outfit on and I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna get rid of this blonde when I get to Jersey. It served its purpose, but it's time. But yeah, that's the end of this vlog, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.